to everyone. Lovely evening to you all. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I made my pawpaw oil. How I made my pawpaw oil. It's a very lovely oil, and pawpaw oil is very good to nourish your skin. It's very good, natural. We're going to be making our pawpaw oil with we're going to be making our pawpaw oil with olive oil. We're going to be using olive oil to our pawpaw to make our pawpaw oil. So guys, come with me. This is our pawpaw. We're going to be using this pawpaw to make our pawpaw oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel it. It's like I'm wasting time with a knife, so I just go ahead with my potato peeler to peel it very quick. So we finished peeling, guys. This is our pawpaw. So I'm just going ahead, I'm going to wash it. Guys, we just go ahead and cut our pawpaw into two because we are about to grate it. Wow. We're about to grate it. So what I'll just do, I'm going to remove everything inside. Guys, to grate our pawpaw, we're going to be using a grater to grate our pawpaw. You can just see how I'm doing it. If you choose, you can also blend. You can also blend your pawpaw if you don't have a grater to grate it. You can also blend your pawpaw, but all you need to do is don't add water to it. So because pawpaw have a lot of water, pawpaw itself have a lot of water, so you don't need to add water to it. If you want to blend it, if you don't have a grater, you just want to blend it, you can go ahead and blend your pawpaw to be smooth before you can fry it. You need to blend or grate. Any one of the two can serve. So now guys, we're going to put our olive oil. We're going to be using olive oil to make our pawpaw oil. I just had a little quantity of oil in my fry pan, and I'm going ahead to add my pawpaw to it. I don't really leave the oil to get too hot. I just add my pawpaw. I just add my pawpaw to my oil. I did not let the oil to get hot. You can do it if you want your oil to get hot. It's good also, but for me, I did not allow my oil to get hot, so I just add it inside and then leave it to get hot together. So guys, that's just it. I've added my pawpaw into my fry pan with my oil, so I just stir it. I just stir it together. I just stir it together. I stir it together. I stir it together. I stir it together. I stir it together. This is stirring it. I just leave it now, and then I start to stir again because I won't like my pawpaw to get burned. So I just continue stirring it. I just continue stirring it. If you don't want it to get burned, you don't want your oil to get burned, do not leave it too long. Make sure you always stir it. Make sure you always stir it, okay? Make sure you always stir it. Don't leave it too long, because if you leave it too long without stirring it, it's going to get burned, guys. Believe me, it's going to get burned. So make sure you stir it. Just stir it. Don't leave it to get burned. Make sure you stir it. And guys, you need to give a try to this pawpaw oil, because pawpaw oil is a very nice oil. Even pawpaw itself is very nice. It could help you to nourish your skin. It's good for your hair. It's good for your body, your face mask. You can also use pawpaw. You can also use pawpaw as your face mask. You can use pawpaw as your face mask. You can use pawpaw oil to moisturize your face. And you can use pawpaw oil in your body, in your hair. It's very nice. It have a lovely benefit. It is very healthy. Pawpaw is very good. It's very good, guys. It's very good. It's very good, guys. It has a lovely aroma. It has a lovely aroma, guys. This is very good. It's very good. I have been using it now for some days. I can see the difference. You see the difference. Pawpaw oil is very good, and pawpaw juice is good also. Very soon I'll be doing a video of pawpaw juice. Very soon I'll be doing a video of pawpaw juice. The pawpaw juice is very good also for your face, especially those of us that have acne. Pawpaw juice is very good and it helps a lot. Cleanse that spot also. Make your face, it get rid of acne. It make your face look very smooth. Very smooth. It make your face look very smooth. Make your face look very smooth and lightning. It lightens your skin. It removes black spots. Pawpaw oil is very good to moisturize your face with it, guys. Pawpaw oil is very healthy. It's very healthy. It has a good benefit. It has a lot of benefit to the body. It gives the body a lot of benefits. So you can see that we have oil. We're getting a lot of oil from me, just trying to fry it more to make sure we get more oil. So now, guys, we're going to use our strainer because we fried it enough so the way I want it. So now we're going to be using our strainer. We turn it into our strainer. We turn it into the strainer. We turn everything. Make sure you turn everything inside the strainer. So after you finish turning it inside the strainer, you just take your spoon, take your tablespoon, press it very well. Press it very well so that you can get as much oil as you can, so that some oil won't be left with the skin. So you just press it, you press it very well. You press it very well to get as much oil as you can. You can see that oil is very beautiful. It's very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The oil is very beautiful. You just continue pressing. You continue pressing. Just continue pressing it. You press it very well to get all the oil out of it. You just press it very well. You press it very, very, very well. Make sure you press it very well. Just press it with your spoon. Press it with your spoon. Press it with your spoon. You can strain it 2 times. You can strain it 2 times. Just press it with your spoon. Press it with your spoon. You press it with your spoon. Get the oil you can. Get all the oil you can as possible. Get all the oil you can. So guys, that is it.
So guys, we just finished streaming it, and this is our oil. This is our pawpaw oil. You can see how beautiful it is. This is how our pawpaw oil look like. So I'm just going to turn it inside one container, but now I'm going to leave it to get cold. So guys, this is it. This is our pawpaw oil. It's very good for your skin. It's very good for your skin. It's a nice oil to mix your cream. This oil is very good for the skin, guys. It's very good, guys. And I hope this video be of help to someone. Please give a try. Just go and do it. Use it for your body and see the difference. So guys, go and try it. And please, if this video be of help to you, give a thumbs up, leave your comments, like my video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please show me love, show IBK love, show me love. I love you guys so much. I love you, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. I love you guys with a big heart. I love you guys so much. I love you guys. See you in my next video. And take care of yourself, guys. Bye for now.